don't know.
Yep, this is yours.
You're creepy, Mitzi. Mitzi.
Mitzi, you're freaking me out. Will you cut that out?
Are you possessed, Mitzi? Mitzi, come here.
What do you think Josh should throw these out?